Hey everyone, welcome back to another tech video. In this video, I'm going to show you that how you can resolve the issues that your YouTube app keep crashing in your iPhone, maybe iPad. So how you can resolve that? Simply just follow all the steps. I'm going to tell that in this video to fix your issue. Simply just going to the settings of your iPhone and have to make sure that you have a strong Wi-Fi connection. Also make sure that VPN is not connected. If you have a connected VPN, just disconnect it. After just going to channel section and just update the latest iOS version in your iPhone, maybe iPad. After that, just going back and just scroll it down and just find the option of a transfer reset iPhone. Just tap on that and just tap on a reset and you reset the network settings from here. After that, just going back and see that there's an option of VPN and device management. So make sure that it's disconnect in that section. After doing all the steps, if problem not gonna solve, simply just uninstall the and just go into the settings section again and just find iPhone storages and just find a YouTube just like that and see the option of offload app. Just tap on that and again install the app from that section. So that's the video. Make sure you like our video and subscribe our channel for more tech related videos.